Hi guys, happy Thursday. So I just came back from school. In case you didn't know, I'm in college to become a nurse, and today is my last day of the week. I have class or clinicals, so I'm gonna see you what my after school routine is. First thing first is to get out of my school outfit. I'll catch you in a second. Second in the list of action is to feed the cats, because obviously they're starving, because they haven't eaten since 8 a.m. this morning when I left for school. Third and final immediate task is to give scraps to the chicken and collect the eggs of the day. Here you can see me trying to catch Scramble because her crab looked a little bit full, and I was concerned that it could possibly be an impacted crab or sour crab. She ended up being just fine. She just gave me a hard time trying to catch her. Here, obviously, is the next day. I'm wearing kind of a different outfit, a different top. I'm cleaning the coop and hopefully winterizing part of it. We are finally getting in the full swing of fall. Looking at our broadcast, it doesn't seem like we have any more days above 60 degrees. Recommendation: maybe not wait so long to winterize your chicken coops. As you can see, I took many breaks and blowing on my hand because I was cold, very cold. leave-in. I have a small Poshmark haul today, and this should be mostly fall/winter things I got for myself. My husband is not very keen on ordering things secondhand. He thinks wearing somebody else's clothes is gross, but I do not mind it. First got these because I thought it was cute, just to throw it on top like a nice cardigan. Yep. Okay, these are not exactly winter clothes. These are dresses, but they are my favorite brand of dresses, which is Hearts and Found. I'm a medium, and I found that they fit me amazing. Usually I go with the skater dress, princess dress, the ones that are opened. But I saw this one and I was like, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And here we have Halo, because anything that comes into the house she has to inspect. Can we inspect later? You can say hi. Thank you. Yeah. Here. Oh, this is a skirt. Skirt dress. This is a dress. I was going to say, did I get to the same skirt? No, this is a dress. Another A-line dress, I think that's what they're called. Same thing. I think actually the girl I got this from, she put that one in for free because she just wanted to get rid of that one. And then last one. This one is actually not Hearts and Found. This is Lena Hoshak, which I think she's a Ukrainian designer. But it's pretty. I do have, I think, one more dress from Lena Hoshak, so I do like her designs. They are just rather pricey. But I mean, it makes sense. It's a small business. If you have OCD, it's not a channel for you. More dresses. Can you tell I like dresses? Oh, this is a pinafore dress. So technically you will put it, you'll still have to wear a shirt underneath. So much tape. I love it when they have letters. Thank you so much for shopping with me. I hope you love your item. Please provide this 5-star service. Kindly consider taking a moment to leave a positive feedback. Enjoy your practice. Happy fall. So this is just a white neat sweater that I was looking forward to. I like how I said this is a fall haul, and then so far there's only 2 items that qualify as fall. Everything else is summer or spring. This one's another sweater, but this one is more cream beige. And that's it. Smells good.